Good morning students. Today shall we discuss about the essay on questions. 3 lessons. Okay, first lesson number system, second lesson measurement, third lesson algebra. Let us discuss some sums. Okay dear, let's come. First sum in the quiz competition. In a quiz competition, Team A scored plus 30 minus 20 0, and Team B scored minus 20 0 and plus 30. Okay. And the 3 successive rounds. 3 successive rounds. Okay, what we have to add? Which team is win? Which team is? Already you know very well. Look at the sum. In a quiz competition, team A scored some scoring of 3 rounds. Okay, plus 30, minus 20 and 0. And again, team B scored in first round minus 20 and second round 0 and third round plus 30. Okay, now we have to find out which team is win. First, we have to add the scored. Okay, first team A scored. Total score of team A. Total score of team A. Total means we have to put addition. Okay, that is a keyword. Plus 30 plus minus 20 plus 0. Okay, you know very well the rules. One integer is positive, another integer is negative integer. Signs were differ means we have to subtract the integers. Okay, 30 minus 20 come plus 10, because bigger number sign plus, so we have to put plus. 10 plus 0 again comes 10. Therefore, team A total scoring is plus 10. Then we have to find out the team B score. Total score of team B. Total score of team B. Here minus 20, 0 and plus 30. Minus 20, 0 plus 30. Okay, here also same rule we have to follow here. 30 plus 30 minus 20 comes plus 10. Okay. Here check team A scoring plus 10. Again team B scored the plus 10. So team A equal to team B. Team A is equal to team B. They are win. One point we have to know. We have to change the place. Then the remaining the sum is same. Okay dear? That's all. Okay, next sum. On 11 plus 7 plus 10 and 11 plus 7 plus 10 are equal. Okay, mention the property. Do you know very well this sum? Once again recall. Check they are equal. Okay, first write in LHS. 11 plus 7 plus 10 is equal to opposite side 11 plus 7 plus 10. Now we have to go to check they are equal or not. Okay dear? First we have to must put in a bracket because you follow the bit marks. Okay? 11 plus 7, 18 plus 10 is equal to 11 plus 7 plus 10 comes 17. Okay, property. Now you understand here? Very simple sum, you know very well. First we have to write the LHS. Again LHS side. Simple addition doing. Then we get they are equal. It is an associative property. Okay, do you all understand? Okay. Third sum. Tenmala appeared for competitive exam which has negative scoring of 1 mark for each question. Okay, each incorrect answer. Sorry dear, each incorrect answer in paper 1 she answered 25 questions incorrectly. In paper 2 she answered 13 questions incorrectly. Find the total reduction of mark. First we have to understand the given sum. What is given in competitive exam? Negative scoring of mark. That means one answer is incorrect means the marks will be reduced. Incorrect answer also. Okay dear, that is a negative scoring of 1 mark for each incorrect answer. Okay dear, in paper 1 she answered 25 questions. Therefore reduction of marks 25 in paper 1. Now you understand? Then we move. Then paper 2 she answered 13 questions incorrectly. Okay dear, 13 marks reduced in paper 2. Okay, find the total reduction of marks. Reduction means decreasing in order. So we have to take a negative integer. Are you clear dear? Okay, then come to solve the sum. In paper 1, reduction of marks. Reduction of marks. Otherwise, incorrect answer. Okay. How many marks? 25 questions. So we have to put minus 25. This sign indicates the reduction. Okay. That is negative sign. Then in paper 2, reduction of marks. Okay. How many marks? 13 questions. Right incorrectly. So we have to put minus 13. Then total, we have to find out the total reduction of the marks. Total reduction of marks. Okay. How do you find? Total means we have to add both reduction of marks. So we have to put plus symbol for total reduction of marks. So we have to add 25 plus 13 comes 5 plus 3 comes 8. 2 plus 1 comes 3. Both integers are negative integers. So we have to put negative sign. Okay dear? Nothing. Given two integers or negative integers means we have to add the addition is nothing but add the numbers and put the corresponding sign also. Minus 38. Therefore, 38 marks will be reduced. Will be reduced. Or you understand here? Okay. Then we have to move the next sum. Next sum here. A lift is on the ground floor. Okay. It goes 5 floors down and then moves 10 floors from there. Then, in which floor will be the lift be? First, we have to understand the sum. A lift is on the ground floor. Okay, dear? You should remind the number line. Okay, number line will start 0. Downward means -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Upward means 1, 2, 3, up to etc. Both sides moving. Okay. The starting position we have to remind 0. Okay. The initial position is 0. Okay. The lift is there. Okay. Then if it goes 5 floors down. 5 floors down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the position of the lift is -5. Okay, dear? plus 5. Okay, let us solve the sum. Solution. The initial position okay, the initial position is 0. Initial position is 0. Okay, it goes 5 floors down. It goes 5 floors down. Down means we have to put the negative integer minus 5. Then it goes 10 floors up. Up means we have to put plus sign, plus 10. Okay. Position of the lift. Position of the lift. How do you find? We have to add both integers. Plus 5, 10 minus 5 comes 10 minus 5 comes 5. Therefore, the position of the lift is plus 5. All you understand here? Next sum here. When Kala worker her body temperature is 102 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, and she took medicine for fever. After 2 hours, it was 2 degree Fahrenheit lower. What was her temperature then? Okay, the initial temperature. Kala worker, her body temperature is 102 degree Fahrenheit. So we have to look at initial temperature. Initial temperature. Initial temperature is 102 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, dear. She took medicine for fever. Okay. After 2 hours, it will be reduced at 2 degree Fahrenheit lower. Lower means reduced. So we have to put a negative sign. Okay. Reduced temperature. Otherwise, decreasing temperature. Anyone? Decreasing temperature. Decreasing temperature 2 degree Fahrenheit. Decreasing, so there is a negative integer. So we have to put the negative sign. Okay, final temperature. Final temperature. How do you find that final temperature? 102 degree Fahrenheit minus 2 degree Fahrenheit. 102 minus 2 comes 100. One integer is positive, another integer is negative. Is nothing but addition is subtract those integer and get the answer. Put the bigger number sign. Here 102 is a bigger number having a positive sign. So we have to put positive sign. Therefore, what was her temperature then? Final temperature is 100 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, are you understand here? Then go to the next sum. The product of two integer is minus 135. If one number is minus 15, then find the other integer. Okay, dear. The given sum is the product of two integers is given and one integer is also given. We have to find the another integer. Okay, listen. First given, what is given? The product of two integer is minus 135. The product of two integers is equal to minus 135. Another one is given. What is given? If one number is minus 15, okay, one number is equal to minus 15, then we have to find the other integer. Other integer. Okay, other integer, how do you find means? For example, 6 into 5 comes 6 5s are 30. Okay, the product of two integers comes 30. Okay, number 6 only is here given. Okay, we have to find this number x. X means this multiplication goes on the other side, division. We have to use this method here also. Minus 135 is divided by minus 15. In division, minus divided by minus comes plus 135, 15. Tell the 15 table. 9 15s are check. 15 into 9. 9 5s are 35, remaining 3. 1 9 is 9. 9 plus 3. 15, 9 5s are 45, sorry. Remaining 5. 4, 1 9 is 9. 9 plus 4, 13. Then we come. Okay, dear. Therefore, we get the answer 9 plus 9. Because in division, minus divided by minus comes plus. Therefore, other integer is equal to plus 9. Once again design. The product of two integers is equal to minus 135. One number is given minus 15. We have to find out the another integer. How do you find the product of two integers? Minus 135. One integer is 15. Both cancel the 9 15s are 135. We get the answer 9. Therefore, other integer is equal to 9. We have to check the answers here. Then we have to go to the next sum. Listen. Next sum. Find the area of the parallelogram whose base is 11 centimeter and height is 3 centimeter. Okay, dear, we know very well the formula. We have to find out the area of the parallelogram. What is parallelogram? Opposite sides are parallel and equal. Okay, the opposite sides are parallel and equal. Okay, these two sides are equal. Okay, what is given? Base is 11 centimeter. Base is 11 centimeter. What is the height here? The two parallel sides, the distance between the two parallel sides is known as height. Okay, this is 3 centimeter. Okay, how do you understand? This is a parallelogram. Then we have to go to the solution. Okay, what is given in parallelogram? Base 11 centimeter. Base we have to put B and height is given. Height equal to 3 centimeter. Then the formula. What is the formula? Area of the parallelogram is equal to area of the parallelogram. Parallelogram is equal to B into height square units. B into height square units. What is the B value here? 11 and height value 3. 11 3s are 33. What is the unit? Centimeter. Therefore, centimeter square. Therefore, area of the parallelogram is equal to 33 square centimeter square. That's all, yeah. Very simple. First we have to listen the sum. Base value is 11 centimeter. Write down, and height is equal to 3 centimeter. What is the formula? You know very well. Area of the parallelogram is equal to B into height square unit. Substituting the B value and height value, simple multiplication, then we get the answer also. Unit is must, square unit. Okay, dear. Next sum. Listen. Find the area of the rhombus whose base 14 centimeter and height is 9 centimeter. Okay, dear. You know the formula. Find out the area of the rhombus. Let's see how to come to solution. Okay. What is the given value in rhombus? In rhombus, base is given. Base 14 centimeter and height 9 centimeter. You know very well the rhombus shape. All the sizes are equal. Okay, dear. Area of the rhombus is equal to area of the rhombus is equal to here. Base value and height value is given. Area of rhombus having two formulas there. One is base and height value is given means b into height square units. Another one diagonals also given means half into d1 into d2 square units. Both two formulas using the find out the area of the rhombus. Given base and height value is given means we have to use b into height square units formula. Otherwise, and diagonals are given means we have to use half into d1 into d2 square units. Now here base and heights are given, so we have to use this formula b into height square units. What is the b value here? Base value 14 and height value 9. 14 into 9. 9 fours are 36. Remaining 3. 1 9 is 9. 9 plus 3 comes 12. 126. What is the units? Centimeter square. Centimeter square. Therefore, area is equal to 126 centimeter square. Okay. Find the area of the trapezium whose parallel sizes are 24 centimeter and 20 centimeter, and the distance between them is 15 centimeter. You know the parallelogram is a very simple here. What is the parallelogram? Two parallel sizes are equal. That is a parallelogram. What is the trapezium? The two parallel sizes are not equal. Okay, in parallelogram, the parallel sizes are not equal. That parallelogram comes the trapezium. Or you understand here? These are two non-equal sides. Okay, that is a trapezium. Okay, the parallel sizes measurement is given. Okay, parallel sizes are 24 centimeter and 20 centimeter. Longer side we have to took it 24 centimeter. The shorter side 20 centimeter. Okay, what is the height here? The distance between the non-equal parallel sides. Okay, this is known as height. What is given? 15 centimeter. Are you understand here? Then we have to solve the sum. Solution. What is the given values here? The parallel sizes are given. First side we have to took it A. A equal to 24 centimeter. Another value, another side is B. B equal to 20 centimeter. And the height is equal to 15 centimeter. You know very well the formula. Find out the area of the trapezium. What is the formula here? Area of the trapezium. Trapezium is equal to half into height into A plus B square units. Half into height into A plus B square units. Height value is given and parallel sides values are given. Then we have to substitute the values here. Listen, half into 15, corresponding height value 15 and A value 24, B value 20. That's all here. Half into 15 into, first we have to do the addition in the bracket. 24 plus 20 comes 44. This is denominator having 2. We have to cancel it in 2 table, both denominator and numerator. 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Then 15 into 22. Taking the upper column. 15 into 22. 5 2s are 10. Remaining 1. 1 2 is 2. 2 plus 1 3. Again 5 2s are 10. Remaining 1. 1 2 is 2. 2 plus 1 3. Adding 0, 3, 3. Therefore, we getting 330, which is scale? Unit centimeter square. Therefore, area of the trapezium is equal to 330 centimeter square. This is a simple sum here. First, we have to write down the given values and write the formula clearly and correctly. Okay, half into h into a plus b square units. Simple addition and simple multiplication division using, we get the answer also. Area is equal to 330 centimeter square. 10th sum here. If x is equal to 2 and y equal to 3, then find what is 2x minus 3y, and second column x plus y, and third question 4y minus x, and fourth question x plus 1 minus y. First one by one we have to solve. Okay dear, what is the given value? X value is 2 and y value is 3. Okay. First write down the given values. X is equal to 2 and y equal to 3. What is the first condition? 2x minus 3y. Substituting x and y value here, then we have to get the answer. 2 into what is the x value here? 2 minus 3 into what is the y value? 3. 2 2s are 4. 3 3s are 9. One integer is positive, another one is negative. Should be subtract. 9 minus 4 comes 5. Bigger number sign minus. Therefore answer is minus 5. Then second one, x plus y. What is the x value? 2. Y value 3. 2 plus 3 comes 5. That is the answer. Then third one, 4y minus x. 4 into y value 3 minus x value 2. 4 3s are 12 minus 2. Comes 12 minus 2 comes 10. Therefore, we get the answer 10. Then fourth one, x value 2 plus 1 minus y value 3. 2 plus 1 comes 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3 comes 0. Very simple sum here. X and y value is given. We have to find out the following sums. 2x minus y means we have to put x value, corresponding x value and corresponding y value. We get the answer also. All you understand here? Then we go to the next sum. Listen. 11th sum, add 8x, 3x. Okay, the second question is 7mn, 5mn. First we have to add or subtract only like terms. Like terms means the variables how we say. Okay, now the first sum, add 8x plus 3x. Should come 8x plus 3x. Take over the variable outside, remaining the numbers inside. 8 plus 3 comes 11x. That is the answer. Okay dear, the 7mn and 5mn. The second point is 7mn and 5mn. They all should be do the addition. 7mn plus 5mn. Take over the variable outside here. M and n are the variable. So we have to take over remaining numbers 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 comes 12mn. That is the answer. Once again listen here. We have to add or subtract only a like terms. X and x. We should remember the variables. Okay, what is the variables? The alphabets A to Z. The small letter of alphabet A to Z. That is the variable. The first step, we have to put the addition symbol because add the integers. Okay. Take over the second step. Take over the variable outside. Remaining numbers should be add. 8 plus 3 comes 11x. The same method we have to proceed the second sum also. Are you understand here? Then what is the next sum? Subtract 4k from 12k. And the second one, 15q from 25q. Listen. Subtraction is very simple here. From means we have to first write this number. Okay, first point, 12th sum 4k from 12k. First we have to write down this number 12k. What is the given? Subtract. So we have to put the minus sign and 4k. Next step, we have to take over the variable outside. 12 minus 4. Numbers should be right in the inside of the bracket. We subtract in the normal subtractor. Okay dear? 12 minus 4 comes 8. Variable k, 8k. That is the answer here. Okay. The second point, 15q from 25q. First we have to write down the 25q minus 15q. Take over the variable outside, the numbers right inside. Very simple. 25 minus 15 come? Very good. 10q. That is the answer here. Are you understand? Okay. Listen. 9 added times the whole number gives 45. Find the number. Okay. First, the statement problem is given. We have to reduce it to the sum. Okay. Equation. Otherwise, 9. Put 9. Okay. 9. Added means the corresponding sign plus 9 added thrice the whole number. The whole number is not given, so we have to keep x. Thrice means 3 times of the whole number, that is 3 into x. Okay dear? Gives means equal. 45. Find the number. Listen once again. 9 added thrice the whole number gives 45. How to reduce the equation? 9 added 3 times of x gives 45. Very simple dear. This in algebraic sums, in equation LHS and RHS flipped into the two columns. This plus 9 goes RHS side, comes minus, came by minus. Therefore 45 minus 9 will come. Subtract and get the answer. 36. 3x is equal to 36. This 3 and x should be product. Okay, the factors. Product means multiplication. This multiplication 3 goes RHS side, came by division. So x keep LHS side. 36 divided by 3. 1 3 is 3. Again 1 3 is 3. 2 3s are 6. In which table we have to do the division means both numerator and denominator should be take the same table. Okay dear? 1 3 is 3. 12 3s are 36. Therefore x is equal to 12. That whole number is equal to 12. How do you check the answer is correct or not? Listen. In algebra having a super. Because the sum answer is correct or not, check in the upper column. Okay. 12. 9 plus 3 into 12 comes 45 means the sum is correct. Okay. 9. 12 3s are 3 2s are 6. 1 3 is 3. 36 plus 9 comes 45. Therefore our answer is correct. Shall you understand here? You should must practice at your home for essay 1 exam. All the best dear. Thank you.